Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. Beautifully renovated kitchen here. We finished approximately about a month ago, but we had to show you this one. The house is about 160 years old. So 160 years, like it's amazing how long it's been. And it's went through a lot of additions over the years, many years ago. And so the kitchen was dated and we needed to come in here and revise it. And I think the customer did a great job in laying it out. And then obviously everybody at Anden helping them with it as well. So we think that this is probably one of the original additions, but inside this area here is a small two-piece bathroom. So we basically left the window as it was because that was original, and this part of the house was original. We think maybe this was where they used to put the woodshed, if you recall, the back of the house. So inside there's still a bathroom, so you get the natural light from this large window, a little bit of privacy here, and again, you just keep with the original part of the house. Gas fireplace here. This was over on the other side, so we relocated it. So we had Jake from Aikens come in and move all that for us and vent it. Did a terrific job, and then the client bought a little plate for the bottom. But this room is a little bit cooler, so I think with the fireplace being on this side of it now, and then the new insulation and vapor barrier on the walls, the house is going to be much, much warmer. The other thing in here, you can see the old field stone on this wall, and this runs basically around a lot of the home. There was a doorway here, so it already had a lintel, and there was a small cabinet there. So what we did is we basically built this pantry into the wall of the door opening. So we just took the framing off and then slid this in, and it's a perfect little storage area. New patio door, FCI came in, I believe, and did that for the client. New LVT floor as well. We suggest LVT, but one thing I wanted to show you, in the old part here, when we started peeling up the floors, and it was like a vinyl floor, the original floor to the home was in there. So I think the customer said, whoa, stop here, let's see if we can refinish it. So they had a customer or a contractor come in, refinish that portion of the hardwood floor. And I think it keeps with the aesthetics of the home. And then we did LVT through the rest of the main part of the kitchen. So we'll come back here and we'll talk about how we relocated and how we ended up finishing this project.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.